Hello guys, how are you doing? I am Daddy the Guitarist. So today I'm going to teach you how to play Stella by Festo. Alright, so let us begin without wasting time. Step number 1, this is the progression. We are playing in the key of E sharp. E sharp, alright. Third fret. Place your first finger in the third fret. Place your second finger in the fourth fret, second string, and then third finger, fifth fret, fourth string, and then pinky, sixth fret, the E B note. Alright, that's the first progression. I want you to play the key of G sharp. Take your first finger, place it on the fourth fret, first string, second string. Take your second finger, place it on the fifth fret, third string, and take your third finger, place it on the fourth string, sixth fret, and then pick, and then repeat the key of GB. Repeat it in the key of AB, like that. So GB, and then play the key of AB. So the progression is then back, then AB. So EB, GB, okay, E sharp, G sharp, E sharp, A sharp, A sharp. Are we together? So that is the first part. Alright, now for the solo, come to the key of E sharp, high octave, fret number 11, 12, 13. First finger, place it on the 11th fret, first string, second finger, place it on the 12th fret, third string, third finger, place it on the 13th fret, fourth string. Play it like that. Alright, so that's the progression. Alright, I want you to take your first finger and place it on the 13th fret, third string. Take your second finger, place it on the 13th fret, first string. I want you to repeat that step on the 15th fret. Go back to the 13th fret, and then I want you to take your first finger, place it on the 11th fret, first string. Take your second finger, place it on the 12th fret, third string. Take again your first finger, place it on the 11th fret, third string. Take your second finger, place it on the take your first finger, place it on the 10th fret, third string, and take your second finger, place it on the 10th fret, first string, and then go back. So go back. So you have, so that is how you play that part. Let's go to the second part. So this is the first part. This is what you do in Stella by Festo. After learning the progression, this is what you do. I want you to pick string number 1, A B note, string number 1, 6th fret. Play it like this. Play string number 1, and then release, play string number 1 again. So you have, okay, play it like this. You have that, and then play it again. So you have, play string number 2. So you have string number 1, release, again string number 1, release, play string number 1 again, play string number 2. So you have, and then I want you to follow the progression. Play it in a reverse way. Play string number 2, play string number 3, play string number 4, then go back 3, then 2. So you have, I said play string number 2, play string number 3, play string number 4, play string number 3, play string number 2. So you have, repeat the same thing and then play the key of A, B. Just repeat the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you have, that is rhythmic, by the way. You have, have you understood? So that is how you play Stella Mate Festo rhythmic. Now let me teach you how to play the solo very quick. This is how you play Stella Mate Festo solo. Follow the progression that I've showed you when you started the lesson. And then you play. Step 1, you play. And then I want you to play a flat. Your third finger, place it on the 13th fret. And then play string 3. I mean play string 4, play string 3, and then play string 2. So you have, then first finger, play 11th fret, 2nd string. So you have, have 11th fret, play string number 2, 13th fret, play string number 2, 11th fret, play string number 2, 13th fret, play string number 3, 12th fret, play string number 3, 13th fret, play string number 4, 10th fret, play string number 3, 12th fret, play string number 4, 13th fret, play string number 5, and then finish with the E sharp note, E B note, as in you have, you have, so quickly. Almost sounding like a samba. It sounds like the samba super mazembe. So that is how you play Stella by Mate Festo solo. See you guys in the next lesson.